Hey guys, I just turned the water on. I only needed a couple 100 gallons. This is the room that has the bulk tanks and the sell the milk and stuff. So, I told you I got some new equipment. If you remember the pictures, I had a new Holland with a loader. Well, this deal came along with this skid steer right here. It's an older case. What is that, an 1615 or 1845C. So I decided, what the heck, let's go with that. The two newest equipments I have, of course, will be my chopper and my combine, which those two need to be. So let's walk out here to where they planted the alfalfa, and let's see what it's saying. Hopefully by winter these two things are full of hay and straw. And it looks like there's some solid manure heading in there too. It separates it somehow. Got all this green space out here, and I'm still trying to figure out, do I cut a field this fall or this summer and whatever. So as you can see, I had no skips. And it's germinating, that's great. I'm hoping to get one cut off this, if not two this year. I'm going to talk to the co-op eventually. I don't know if it'd be today, and see if there's a way of soil testing. They talk like there is. So, well, hey, I'll meet you up at the hog barn. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys some of those things. Hey, well, we're getting ready to go feed the pigs. I had to move my straw thing right there. I got to figure out where to stick it so when it rains again, it doesn't get on the straw. Might as well turn on the water now. Oh, about 100 gallons of water. But if I do this every morning, life would be good. Well, the pigs have definitely not had any slurry go in there yet, and if there is, it's not enough to show up when I look. So we'll look in the pit behind there. They all have a separator, and people around that were separated too. So hoping to get everything done this week. Today, I'll show you the build of that. Got a lot of confidence in Mother Nature for wanting to rain. Hasn't rained a whole lot, but enough that makes you question how dry it is. And that's why I put that rain on fertilizer thing. So that's going to be the first thing that happens that day. Why that's dumping in there? Let's look over here and see. And there's some. These pigs definitely not producing manure like the cows. But hey, that is what it is. So we've just topped off everyone's food. Said there is two pigs in here that are pregnant. And we decided, I guess it depends on what they have, how many they have. Depends on what I do. It's not like I want to raise pigs to breed. I started that way, but I don't know if I want to keep any more than what I have. So we'll meet you once we get in the truck and start heading to get the fertilizer. Hey guys, we just got in the truck and got it started. Hopefully, time I get there, there's someone there. I had to pick up this seed tender because I ordered a flatbed trailer, which you'll see in the driveway of the house when I make it get turned around. I know there's a hay bind around here somewhere. Am I gonna make it? Nope. I've got to learn to park things better, I think. Alright, yeah, I bought that there across the way in my driveway. And left this here, and then when I showed up there at 7 o'clock to get it, and they were checking the scale to make sure it's accurate, it was dark, so they have no light, so that's a place that will not be open after dark. But hey, we will get when we need it. Not after dark, but we'll try to hit there before it gets dark. So, hey, we'll meet you when we get to the store. All right, we've got fertilizer, we've got seed. I'm hoping that's enough to get going, but they told me to come over here to the other side of the store, go out that exit there. I will see something that I've been looking for. I don't know what that would be, besides maybe a trailer to haul round bales, and I know they've got some straw bales over here for me. But it's a place I've spent a lot of money at so far. I'm going to have a lot more. Oh yeah. We're going out to the field. I need to show you a field I just purchased too, for corn. And by golly, they got it. Let's stop right here and look at it. These straw bales I need to get back to the house. Anyhow, but this is a trailer that's on, well, it's on Mod Hub itself, in game. It's done by 82 Studios. It's an automatic bale wagon to pick up round bales. There's also make one for square bales. They also got the original one that you hit a button and the floor goes away and you stack it on yourself. This one is the automatic one, which I can also deactivate or whatever. We're going to give it a shot. It might make it easier on me, being that there's not too many other people helping me with this one. Then again, you know, it'd be kind of neat just to stack it on there too. So we may change that up as time goes, but for now it's going to be that one. So let's head out to the field where the wheat's going to go, and we'll definitely show you the other field that's coming up, which, if things go right, and you know how that goes, being that the holiday weeks of Christmas and New Year's, so when I do the next episode, I should be either in that field or heading to that field to put anhydrous on. So all the cornfields will get anhydrous. I'm not going to plow any more fields up until fall anyhow, just because it makes sense. I think the tractor I'm using to plant with is enough horsepower to run the plow or the disc for the bean fields as the bigger tractor I have is putting anhydrous on, but we'll see. We may have to lease a smaller disc for that, or a smaller chisel. So, anyhow, if I blow up on my phone right here in the corner, you'll see there's a build 57 down there across from 60. 60 is going to be the wheat field we're in. Build 57 I just purchased yesterday. So 56 and 57. 56 will be a bean field, 57 is a corn field. 42, which is right there at the farm, I was going to put as a corn field, but then I realized there was corn stubble in it. So I would probably be better off if I didn't try to do corn after corn with the crop production thing that's on, just because I don't know how well that's going to work. And 57 is not far, it's just on the other side under the overpass for the freeway, so it wouldn't be bad if I would chop that for silage. But I guess we'll also see how much of the oats we put in there, since we are going to chop that, that whole thing. I've got the Wilson grain trailer with the bottom load. I'm starting to wonder if I need to change trailers, but at least with what I have with the trailer, if anything, I can open up builds and go from there. So, well, as we're getting close to the farm, let me jump off here, and we'll meet you at the field where we're going to be spreading fertilizer. All right, we've made it to the fields. As you can see, the oats is definitely planted, but the field is on the other side of all this. So let me get this case tractor moved. As you can see, the drill for grass seed like that it's pretty small, but they got it done. Let's get this 8950 moved. So at least I can get the oldest tractor moved. Topped everything off when I got done last night. So that's a plus. But I did that so if I came out here loaded, I would have enough to start, and maybe enough to make it through. So this is the oldest one I have, which is an 86 series. It is number 886. Nice little tractor. I first originally bought it for making hay, but then I found the parts online somewhere to turn it control assist. It had the mold on it. I decided, you know what? It'd be a great tractor to spray with, spread fertilizer, and all that. So that's when I bought the 5610, whatever that international is. I was using to feed the cows and all. So that's going to be the tractor I use to bale hay and all that. So, excuse me. So let's get out here and see if the ground is dry enough. It should be. I'm hoping my dad, since he was still in the house when I went to go feed the cows, will end up out here and he can plant and help me get this done before the rain hits tonight. Because it'd be nice to have all this stuff in the ground. So let's get out and test it. Hey, it is dry enough. as the wheat. Yeah, the oats have started. So I want to call this a video before we get started. If you like the series I'm doing, hit subscribe, hit that button. Or if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. It'll help me out gratefully. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.